Good morning, dear students. I believe that you are all well and good in this quarantine session. Now, we will enter into this video session. And now we are going to learn 8th standard English hobby turns your successful career. So you know what is hobby? Hobby is the activity that we do in our leisure time, spare time, free time. That is called hobby. So I will repeat once again what is mean by hobby. Because you are a 8th standard students, now only you are going to start this English prose lesson. Hobby turns your successful career. And this is prose 1, unit 1, lesson 1. And what is hobby? Hobby is your activity that we do in our free time, leisure time, spare time. And shall we move into the video session? And now, before we will go to this lesson, we see the title in this lesson. Hobby turns your successful career. In this lesson, there are 3 sections are there. There are 3 famous personalities, how they became famous in their hobbies. Because they started their hobbies and they improve in their hobbies and they catch their hobbies into making interest. So in their life, they came in to be successful in their life, and that hobbies will become their own successful career. So in this world, people have different kinds of people are there. So they have different hobbies are there. And in their hobbies, so many hobbies are there, like as a student, reading the books and writing small stories, and many of them have gardening, stamp collecting, feather collection, and now so many hobbies are there in the life. So the same way in the 3 sections also today, and these 3 personalities they started as a hobby. The same hobbies will become in their life their own successful career. Career, what is career? Job, profession. And now, first of all, I am going to teach first section. And now you go through this one, and glossary we can see it first section, glossary. You can know the meaning, and after that we will move on to the lesson. First one, unique. You know what is unique? Distinctive, uncommon. That is, uncommon means there is no common and all. That is different. And now unique is distinctive. The other meaning is there, uncommon. And second one is exhaust. Exhaust means tired out. Third one, energesis. And this is give energy. And third one is passionate and interest. Your interest. And now here accurately, correctly, properly. So these and all you have to write it. Correctly and properly. So all this and all, this glossary will be related to this section 1. And the sixth one is fiction. What is the meaning for fiction? Imaginative writing. Now here, and now I am going to explain about first section elaborately. So there was a boy, his name is Mani, and he studied in a school in his own village. He found it difficult to reading as well as writing. And now his grandfather found it very difficult and very much depressed because his grandson was having so many difficulties in their reading and writing. So he decided to tell in the bedtime story, because the grandfather or grandmother used to tell always their grandchildren, and this is a main way. Same way, his Mani's grandfather think to say and bedtime stories daily in the night time. And the same way, he is going on telling his grandson the bedtime story. And as usual, he told it. And now Mani was always keenly noted in that what grandfather was saying in the bedtime story. And after some days, he is well versed in not only reading as well as writing also. And now one time, now he became very happy because he know not only reading as well as writing. And one day, usually, he is going to write his own essay. He written his own essay. And now he wrote about what is hobby. Hobby is the activity that do what we are doing in our leisure time. So, but what we have to do, in your leisure time, we should use your time usefully. The people have different kinds of hobbies are there. So example is the hobbies are uncommon. So that in this lesson, uncommon means different people are there, different hobbies will be there. And now they follow different hobbies. So many I told you just before, gardening, stamp collecting, reading, writing, all these things they are there. So many hobbies are there in this world. The people are following. The same way, and now Mani was telling in his own essay about hobby and writing, particularly writing hobby, because he know reading and writing. And now usually he is writing and he is telling this writing hobbies will give you more energetic. The second example is energesis. See, this writing hobby will give to them very much energy. And not only that, but some people will think the writing is very tired, it's boring. But it's not properly. And it will give energies, and it will give not only energy, but it will be keep active every time. And the same way, the passionate. What you have to do is, when you are selecting as a hobby, as a writing, you must be take it into interest. If any job, any hobby, you must take it into interest with eagerness. Then only it will be achieve success. It will give successful in your life. And next one, and accurately also, correct properly. You must follow this hobbies into properly. And not only that, and he is telling about this writing. And you must know, and now he is going on writing so many imagination. When he is started to write, more imagination will be created in his mind. It will give you more energy in his body as well as mind. And when you think it, when you are going to write, and this will give you so many imaginations will. The birds are flying, and now the birds are talking. Like this imaginative essays also will be there in his own writing. And not only that, and going on writing, he is telling you should use your hobbies as your writing you must be properly and accurately. Because he is telling, I am not well versed in, only I know, only reading, I can't able to write properly what I am writing. And now, what you have to do when you are telling, and we can't able to tell all this thing at once. When we are writing, and that time, what we can do it, we can write properly and accurately what we are thinking is good. And many people, and compared to reading, they are very good in writing. Because they are very fear about reading as well as speaking and all. And when they are going to write, they will write fluently and with accurately and properly also. And now, after that, he became very famous writer and very personalities also there. He is written many fiction. What is fiction? And this is fiction is imaginative writing. He wrote many imaginary stories and fiction and novel like this big short story, essay, everything he wrote. And these and all he is writing. For example, and now he told at last he is going to be like the writer, the famous Indian writer like R.K. Narayan. In this last session in this world, and now he is writing will become a famous personality. And as you know, in your lesson, and Annadurai, you know is, and now he is a very good writer and reader and all this thing. And not only that, he is very famous in writing dialogues in cine field. And now he is a very famous writer. So he took his the example as Annadurai and Mani is written it. And he told Allah at last in this session, in this lesson, and now I am going to be a well famous writer like R.K. Narayan. So next section in the first lesson itself. Another one is, I told you in the beginning, in this lesson there are 3 famous personalities. Ordinary person will become a famous personality because of their hobby turns there into successful career. And first, Mani. He became a famous writer. And next one is, the example, Ajay Kumar Garg. The man, Ajay Kumar Garg. G-A-R-G. So he is an ordinary man. And now because of his some suffering, he became impairment and he became deaf. His father bring him so many hospitals. He used to give so many treatment until that he became deaf. And no doctor will change his that. And still that he is not disappointing in his life. And now he is always going on painting as well as drawing. And so that on seeing this interest of his son, his father used to bring one day and the pen, color pencil, sketches and painting, color paintings also. Because he's seeing his son always drawing in his wall as well as in the floor. On seeing this, he brings all this thing. And by using the color pencil and pen sketches, he drawn nicely. His drawing was very great and very beautiful and very nice. And one day, his father thought to bring all his son, that is Ajay Kumar Garg, painting. He bring all this drawing and painting to one of the court artists in Rajasthan, because he is Jaipur and now he is born in Jaipur, and during the day And now those who are in very famous in their any field, so in the court artists will bring this all the what is that things and all, they will give you prizes. So on hearing this, Ajay Kumar's father bring all his sons drawing and painting, and he went to court artists in Rajasthan and Dolpur, and now he is showing that. And his appreciator, he praised his drawing, and he given so many awards for it. And now he became his own, he followed the Asha Devi's painting. She is a very famous and great painter. And not only that, and traditional Indian miniature painting. So this is one kind of painting you see. And now he learned, after the painting was there, drawing also there, he decided to practice Indian traditional miniature painting. And he is well known in that miniature painting. And now not only that, he used to use the grain rice to draw the painting by using this grain rice. And it's very much beautiful in drawing. And now he drawn 150 drawing paintings also is there. In this 150, he sold 144. He sold his in his own painting. And now in 2004, and now Dr. Abdul Kalam was given him the award also. In 2004, Ajay was given, he was awarded a national award because of his accomplishment in painting. In 2004, the Indian President APJ Abdul Kalam was given this award to Ajay because of his accomplishment in painting. And now he was actively well versed in here deaf and association, impairment, and not only that, he was a member of Deaf Association, and he wanted to give free training, painting and drawing for the orphanage students, children. And he became the famous accomplished in their paintings. And now he is very much well known in his career, and he turns into very good painter as well as drawing. In one of his orphanage, Gandhinagar in Jaipur, he wanted their orphanage children to give free training for this painting and drawing. Not only that, his only one aim is to revitalizing. I written in this revitalizing. See here, and now revitalizing re-energies. Re-energies. That is Puttunarchi. And now, so his goal is to, he wanted to revitalize, to give re-energy to traditional Indian miniature painting. So it's the only one goal achievement. And now in this section, and the glossary will be, one is impairment. What is impairment? Disability. And second one is miniature. I told you miniature painting, and very small of its kind. Many small paintings, drawings and all. And now accomplish, fulfilled. He fulfilled his duty. And now magnify, enhance. And for fifth one is exhibit, show or reveal, to display. That is the meaning. And now sixth one is revitalize. The meaning is re-energize. So now you come into third section of this lesson 1. Now before itself we will go to glossary. Here the third section, here passionate, the meaning is showing strong feelings. Second one, accommodate, sufficient space. Third one is trophies, a decorative cup given as a token of victory. Now shatter, break, damage or destroy. So here section 3, some hardworking and passionate people will chase their dream and live in it. Why I am telling this? Because in your lesson, the third section is about Ilavalagi. The hardworking and passionate people will chase their dream and live in it. What is this? Why in this lesson the first line itself this message was given? Because Ilavalagi is the main personality in the third section of this lesson. Who is Ilavalagi? She was the only woman became an Indian Carom championship. His father name is Iradeyaraj. So because the first line meaning why I am telling now, Iradeyaraj was very much interested and eager about to become championship in the carom board game. Because no one was supporting him. No one given the support to him. So he didn't achieve his goal yet. He didn't fulfill his aim. So he want his daughter Ilavalagi to achieve as a carom board championship. So always he used to bring her in all places and where the carom board game was played. Many in those days, during the time of club and all is there, they used to play the game. When Ilavalagi was 2 years or 4 years, his father bring her always in those places to see and play there. And she became well versed and very famous in playing game of carom. And now they are only small family, 3 daughters will be there, and they are living in one small room apartment. Because she is very famous and she won so many awards and all, they can't able to keep the award shielding and trophies. I told you in the meaning, trophies, what is the meaning for trophies? A decorative cup given, cup. And a cup given as a token of victory. Victory means winner. Those who are winner, because in this lesson Ilavalagi was a player of carom board and now she awarded so many award, cup, shield, everything. And now in these prizes she can't able to keep in her home because their home was small, only one room. And in the room, they want to cook, they want to sleep, everything they should do it. Where they can keep these things, so many prices of birthday. And now what happened? How they will keep it. And under the bed, they will keep all this thing. She always used to tell, victory follows me. Because what is this meaning? And she want to achieve more award like others. And so, the people always have to do two hobbies. It will surely turns a successful career. And now, so what are the awards? What are her Ilavaragi's achievements? See here. First is 5th World Carom Champion 2008 in France. Second one, Women's Single 38 Senior National Carom Championship. Women's Single title 37 and 13th SOR Carom Championship Women's Single in 2009 and 2009 again Women's Single and 2006 as well as 2010 World Cup winner. So all these and all achievements of Ilavaragi. So here we can know from these three personalities what is this. And now, they are taken as a hobby. They didn't take as a very serious one, but they taken these hobbies very interestingly, and these hobbies will turn into a successful career. Now we will see synonyms and antonyms in the lesson 1. First we will see the synonyms: unique, uncommon, uncommon. The meaning is uncommon. Exhaust, tired out, tired out. Third one is energies, revitalized, revitalized. And now here passionate, interest, interest. And now accurately, correctly. Fiction, imaginary, imaginary. Now impairment, disability, disability. So this is the synonyms. And now 8th one, magnify, enhance. And revitalized energies, energies, S-E-S, energies, re-energies. And now antonym, relaxation. What is antonym? See here, relaxation antonym, lightening up, lightening up. Second one is creative, unimaginative. Third one, acceptance, cancellation. Fourth one, fiction. The opposite antonym is truth or fact. And now prevent, assist. Sixth one, emerge, disappear. Antonym, disappear. And now this is synonyms and antonyms. You note it down in your notebook or in your book separately. And now you come to see the paragraph. And paragraph, first one is write a note on Ilavaragi. And now it is, just now I told you about Ilavaragi, and she is a Carom board woman championship. And you must tell about all this thing about her. And her father was Iradiyara, and now she became a well-known and famous and a middle-aged woman. And now her father used to bring her and want to see her father. Her daughter want to be a well-known championship. And what she's did, what she's played very well. And all this thing you must write it down, what I told you just before. And in the second one, how did Ajay's father find his son's talent? Son's talent. And now, because, Ajay Kumar Garg was a impairment because he is deaf because of his some suffering. And he is always using and he is always drawing and painting in floor as well as wall. On seeing his son's attitude, his father used to bring him the color painting, color pencil, everything he given. And he make him force into became a well-known painter. And now, same way, what his father thought, the Ajay Kumar Garg also became one of the famous traditional miniature painting. What is the miniature? Small, very small. And all this thing he learned, and he is a well-known, great, famous painter, one of them. And he didn't care about deaf also. And he became one of the member of Deaf Association. Not only that, he given free painting training to all the orphanage children. And now one goal is there. He want to revitalize, give re-energy to traditional Indian miniature painting. So this and all what I told you when I taught you in the second section in this lesson, that you must write about Ajay Kumar. And first one, about money, the writings. So he was a well-known writer. He wanted to become like a writer, famous writer, Indian writer like R.K. Narayan. So all this thing. And you learn what you learn from this lesson. And now as you are a student, as you are a children, small age, and what you have to do it. In this pandemic, this is quarantine days session. You should not waste your time. You must take into one habit as your hobby. One activity you should take it as a hobby, and that hobby you must give very much interest and eagerness, and that activity will become your successful career in your future. As your student, you should follow these activities and you must go through it. And not only that, if you are reading in your studies, you must go through it and properly. And anything you are interested, you learn it and you will become successful in your future. Thank you. All the best. Thank you one and all.